Well, I think I pushed just about all the life out of this flag that I was able to get. I got just about 14 months out of this flag. However, when I went to go buy a replacement, it doesn't look like that company's selling the flags anymore. So with that being said, I went ahead and picked up a flag from a different brand, with really the main stipulation being I was looking for something that's going to be quality. I wanted to at least get a year out of, and I wanted something that was actually made here in the States. Let's go ahead and get this thing out. They've got this thing nicely packaged here. Get this out of the bag. We'll take a look at this together. Then we'll go ahead and get our flag swapped out here. Now, hopefully, as you can see here on the camera, the flag here appears to be pretty nicely done. It's got a really thick material to it. The stars here are actually embroidered on, and the one main thing I'm always checking for on these flags is, do they have a nice heavy duty brass grommet like you see here, as well as how well is it stitched here on the end, because that's always the part that seems to fray. So you can see here it's got 4 stitches all the way across the end here, and then it's also got some real nice stitching here when it changes colors as well. So let's go get this old flag down, we'll get this new one up here, and we'll show you what this thing looks like on the flagpole. So just like that, we got our new flag in place. Now I want to take a second to show you what I was talking about on this old flag. Now keep in mind, this is a different brand. What typically takes a beating on these flags is going to be your grommet. Right here, you can see how that's got a worn spot right there. If you've got a really low quality grommet, these flags won't last very long. And then obviously you can see how shredded the end of my flag here is as well. And that's just due to the beating it takes in the wind. We get a lot of wind out here where I'm at. So depending on where you live and how high a winds you get, that might make the difference as to how long you get out of your flag. But like I mentioned, I got about a year out of this flag, and the one I just put up here to replace it feels about the same quality as this one did. So I'm pretty confident saying I should get about a year, if not a little bit more, out of the flag that I just hung here. So take a look here at the flag made by Rushmore Rose and see if this might be a good fit for you. This is the 4x6 size. You can pick these things up pretty small all the way up to, I think they have like a 15 by 25 foot flag. I would like to see the pole that goes on. But other than that, that's all I've got for you on this little review, guys. Hopefully this is somewhat helpful for you. Make a decision as to whether this flag might be right for you. Appreciate you watching. We'll catch you guys in the next video.